everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. Still working on my intro. Give me some time. For those of you that are new, welcome. Bienvenidos, ¿cómo están? And for those of you returning, welcome back, and thank you for being here. So today on Sandy A7%, we are bringing you Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Two different subscriptions. This one is for an 18-year-old with brown hair, hazel eyes, and not so comfortable with makeup, whereas this box here is for a 45-year-old woman, black hair, brown eyes, and very comfortable with makeup. So this one is my box and this one is my daughter's. So we'll start out with my daughter's. For those of you that are not familiar with Ipsy Glam Plus, or slightly familiar with Ipsy Glam Plus, it is $25 a month, and it is all full-size items, and it can range anywhere. I forgot what it was, like 5 items maybe. So it always comes in this like hot pink. I don't know, cause to me it's a magenta. I don't know. It's a pink box, and it always says Ipsy. And when you open it up, it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." That will always be inside the box until one day maybe they'll surprise me and have something different. Like they surprised me this month. This is normally blue, an electric blue, and this month it's yellow. So I kind of like this yellow vibe. And then again, here we go. We are diving in. That's actually the theme of this box. Make it theme. Dive in. July 2019. I don't know if I told you this. 2019 box. Summer is in full swing. I don't know. Is it? I think kids are already getting ready to go back to school in August. I went to the store and they already had school supplies. I'm like, what? That doesn't surprise me though, because by December they've already putting Valentine's Day stuff in the stores. So go figure. So let's get started. This is a pull apart. I thought it was like a little booklet, but it's a pull apart. Not pull apart, pull apart. It says, "See you next month, but before you go on August 2nd, you can add additional products to your August glam bag starting at $3, which I did. I did in this box. Supplies are limited and only available for 24 hours or until they sell out. And they sell out quickly, because I went on there and I was gonna buy a few things and they were gone. So get there early. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to pull out, and the first thing in the booklet, is Pixie by Petra, and it's a glow mist, and this is valued at $15. All over face mist for glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion, enriched with 21 natural oils plus propolis, aloe vera, and fruit extracts. So it's before makeup. Hydrates, protects, and nourishes. After makeup, sets, adds a dewy finish, and protects anytime. Refreshes makeup, hydrates, and adds glow. Well, you know what? Let's put some on. I did not put any setting spray in my face. So let's see what this is like. Shake it up, because there's a lot of oils in there. Shake it up, shake it up. Okay, there we go. So it's a fine mist. Oh, it's actually, there's something in here I already know that I don't care for, but it's in here and I don't see it. But it's very small. But there's something in here. I think it's the lemon. There's citrusy, but it doesn't stand, and it's made in Korea, so that's good. It feels good. I mean, don't feel oily. Don't feel like, it's a nice mist, and that's $15. It's a full-size bottle. I will put the total value somewhere at the bottom of the box when we're done with this. We got both boxes, so we'll add that up at the end, and I will show you the value down here. So the next thing I'm pulling out of here is a Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer, and this value is $45. So there's the box. I believe this is new. Is this new? I'm not too familiar with Purlisse. Beauty tip: hydrate and prime in one step to multitask and speed up your beauty routine. Perfect for oily combination, normal, even sensitive skin, inflammation control, and graceful aging. Oh, so I need this. So made in the USA. So there you go. That's what that looks like. And I think it's gonna have a seal, so I won't be able to, yeah. You can't smell anything. Sometimes you can smell something through it. And this is $45. Smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean skin before applying your makeup or wear alone. So it's good. I don't think I don't know, the last product I think was it, does Candy Johnson have that lotion? I think I received that. That's Pure Lace, not sure. That was $45. And the next thing is the Naked Cosmetics. If it's not naked, it's not natural. Ooh, let's see. Try to open this up. And oh, okay. Oh, I remember I had some of these. Oh my god, a long time ago, like 20 years ago. About 20 years ago, they sold these in a kiosk in the mall, and mine was like this long. It was like double this. They gave me some extra ones that were empty, and then they gave me one filled with like a Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and they gave me a clear nail polish, because you can add this powder, mica. So you add this powder to the clear nail polish to make like a nice cute nail polish, and you can add it to petroleum jelly or Vaseline. You mix it in there, and you can, I mixed up a few different colors, because then you can get the color you want for your lips, or you can dab it over lipstick. There's like a lot of things that you could do with this because it's loose pigment. This pigment set here, I don't want to open it, is $40. And it says use a dense shader brush to apply SN02 all over your lids, which I don't know which one SN02 is, because the bottom one is SN04. Blend NN01 into your eye crease. Smudge SN04 or SN05 along your lower lash line with a damp angled eyeliner brush. But don't stop at eyes. You can also use these pigments as a highlighter or mix with your favorite lip glosses and nail polishes to make them shimmery. Yeah, see, mix them with your nail polishes. I remember this like 20 years ago. There was one they had and I paid like $100 something for it. I remember they got me in that damn kiosk mall. You know, in the mall they have little kiosks in there. Oh, he's got, not no more though, not no more. So the next thing is an add-on. So this is the hemp sweet pineapple honey melon. I actually had two add-ons. I think the other add-on is in the Ipsy bag. And that's the humps, and that was $3, I believe. So that's an add-on. That's not included in the box total. And then the next thing I'm pulling out is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, Length and Volume, Orchid Stem Cell Complex, Thrive Cosmetics. And this is in Bryn, which is a rich black. Wow. If this is not false eyelashes, because you know how they love to do that. They're like, look what you could do with your mascara, and it's false eyelashes. Look at that picture there. See the top? If this mascara could do that to my eyelashes, then it's a winner. So I have to try that out. And this is worth $24. So, you know, you've already gotten triple your money's worth, because the box is $25 a month. So you've already paid, this box is already paid for. And then the last thing we're pulling out is, oh, Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and pink sands. So, you know, Huda gotta put her face on everything. Ooh, look at that little, see it? 3D highlighter palette. It's $45 value. So this is beyond, you get your money's worth. So just with the palette alone, you get your money's worth. And even if you don't keep it, and let's say you sell it, you still get your money's worth. So again, here's her picture, because she puts her face on everything. Ooh, a lot of, and then here's the palette. And we're gonna swatch. I already swatched this one. When I got it, I had to look at it. So this one is Prep. Apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light, reflecting pearls, and it's creamy. So you can tell the creaminess in the product. So this is Capri, and she's saying to put it under your makeup. So it gives you that like highlight. This is good if you want to do like a no makeup look. So that's Capri. I don't know if can you see the reflection. The next one is number 2, which is Santorini. Number 2 set, dab Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Oh, this is nice. Look at that, Santorini. Should I put a little? I'm gonna be, let's see. Ooh. Uh-oh, I think I put too much. Oh well. Be glimming all night. So there, that's Santorini. Okay, and then the third one is Sculpt. Apply Azores under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. This just looks like a highlighter to me. This is number 3, step 3. Look at that. Apply under cheekbones. Yeah, I'll do it another day. I'll probably look like a clown after I'm done if I do all that. The fourth one is Flush. So sweep, this is called Ibiza. Sweep Ibiza on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. And this is this pink one. This is a really nice set. Look at that fourth one. This is really nice. For 45 bucks, you won't need another highlighter. And it came in a $25 Ipsy Glam Plus. So what do you all think so far? I love it. I love this. Here we go, trying to put this together. I love this highlighting palette. This one is actually really nice, and I can't wait to try out the mascara, because if it could do that to my eyelashes, what it's doing to this picture, then I'm all for it. So I will add up all the products. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products, and then I got my add-on. And I will list the total here, so you can see what that total is. It should come out to like what, 170 something, if I did that right. So then the next one, I've already opened it. So the next one is my box. So this is a 45-year-old woman with black hair, brown eyes, and very comfortable with makeup. The last one was my daughter's. So again, same theme, your same box, and yellow foam. I really like this yellow color. It's really pretty. Same booklet. Dive in. Pull apart. And I already see. So we did have some things that are similar. So I did get the mascara, which is the same. So I don't have to tell you too much, and that's $24. We also got the Pixie Glow Mist, $15, and I sprayed it on a little earlier, so you know what that's about. I also got the same highlighter in Huda Beauty. I believe the other variation would be her palette. I'm kind of glad I didn't get her eyeshadow palette because I have tons of them, but I really love this highlighting palette. It's really nice. And this, we got this, so that's the same. No need to go into detail on that, and that's $45. And then, so the two things that are different is I received Gold Fatten MD, Bright Eyes, Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, Royce Soy Peptide, Rice Bran Extract, and Arnica. So this is the thing that's different. So that's the box, and this is the container. So that's that big. So that's that. So this is worth $55. Yikes. You know, all these serums, they cost that much. Does it say where it's made? No, it doesn't. So hopefully that works. That's $55. So apply 1 drop to under your eye area and a patty motion using your ring finger. For fast results, use morning and night on clean skin. This eye cream gets straight to the root of your under eye issues because there's only so much concealer can hide. Oh, yeah, you're telling me. Formulated with rice bran extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica, it hydrates and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Plus, it absorbs super fast, so you can apply your makeup ASAP. The next thing that is different is Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. This is a K-Beauty item. Touch and Soul. And it says, after applying your toner, serums, and other skincare products, massage a dime size amount into your skin and tap to help it absorb. So that's the box, little iridescent box. It's made in Korea, so I think it would be in Korean, right? And it's a nice big what is this? Container. What is this? And this is worth $38. Oh man, what is this? It's actually, ooh, it smells good, and it, look at that, so full. It looks, you could tell it's so hydrating looking. Yes, it is. Who said I can't put it on my arm, right? Oh, this feels really good. It feels hydrating. Yeah, oh, I can't wait to use this, especially in those days where you're like getting in the pool, take a shower, you feel so dry because of the chlorine. This would feel fantastic. And that's everything in this box. So again, everything was the same. Well, not everything. 3 items were the same from my box and her box. So I also received the 3D highlighter palette, and I also received the mascara, and I also received the Peachtree by Petra Glow Mist. But the difference in this box was that I received the Waterful Glow Cream, which I'm happy for that. And I also received the Gold Fatten MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Cream, which I'm happy about. So this box, I'll put the total down below. It has to be about the same. So I think I loved both Ipsy boxes. You know, they're both mine, even though I say it's my daughter's. So for $25 a box, we received over $100, over $150 in value, if I did my math right in my head. So I'm actually very excited that we get that. This one is actually a little better than my BoxyCharm, and my BoxyCharm is $21. I will link that BoxyCharm unboxing up here. I received variation 13 and 12. I haven't opened my 12 yet, and I'm not sure if everybody wants to see what I got in my 12. It's like pretty much the same except for 2 things. Let me know if you want to see that unboxing, and I will do that for you. And again, let me know what you got. Did you get everything? I'm actually really happy. Oh, it feels really good. I'm really happy with the highlighting palette, and I can't wait to try out the mascara. So let me know what you thought of the boxes in the comment section down below. I will link the box in the description area if you're interested in getting your box. But then again, $25 and you get over $100 worth of product. You can't go wrong. So let me know what you thought of the boxes in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and like this video. And then hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos, so you can come on over and say hi. And also, a side note, I will be replying to messages in the comment section for you to DM me on my Instagram account, or send me an email. So look out for that, because you may be getting something in the mail if you do. So don't forget to leave me a comment, because I might just, you know, send you something for hanging out with me and being so wonderful and watching my videos straight through. So again, hasta later.